Dr. Miyamoto, I'm introducing you once again,
Yeah.
that you are visiting some of the towns in the south of Puerto Rico.
Well, I think so far, I'm talking to all the engineers around here and everybody else. Damage is kind of moderate. It's about 10% or maybe so of buildings being affected. Some are slight damage, some are more damage. And currently, this country used the 2018 International Building Code, which considered to be the state-of-the-art building code for the seismic. So it's good, and construction quality is, I think, very good. It's just that anything older, built prior to 1990, that's something we should really consider. So this country do have the good engine capacity, great engineers, and they can definitely have the capacity to deal with this. And so we've been talking to the main structural engineers and see how they see it and how they come into it. So far, I find them to be very competent.